Hello, dear students. Welcome to today's class on poem. Here is a picture of lockdown period. Look at it. You see, migrant workers are coming back their homes on foot, covering long distances, facing a lot of trouble. Why come back? Are they jobless? Are they moneyless? Are they in pang of hunger? Are they in fear of corona? What may be the cause? They are coming back home to save their lives. Home is the safest place in the world. Home is the heaven. Home is the place where hearts lie. Home is the holy pilgrimage. Do you have such feelings for home? Let's see here the poet's view on home. The poem is Home and Love. This poem is written by Robert William Service. Now let's discuss the three stanzas of this poem. Come to the first stanza. In very first line, you try to find out two very important words of this poem. Can you find it? You look at the title also. You can easily get the answer. The two words are home and love. Poet says 5 things about these two words. The first line, both home and love are very small, and each word, home or love, HOMELOVE, each word is 4-letter words. Number 3, each word is sweet and pleasant. Number 4, both are complete in all respect. Number 5, the two words find place in angelic discussion or angelic talk. But angels lack the sweetness of home and love in heaven. Let's now go to a deeper part of this poem. In the first stanza, though two words are very small, they have wonderful, amazing, magical, hidden power. Each has healing, soothing, comforting power. It has the power of joy, happiness, and peace. They are just like blotting papers of sorrow. Both home and love lighten sorrows, heighten joys, and sweeten lives. Again, why does the poet say that both are complete in all respect? Both are complete. Here complete means having all elements or having all parts. Both home and love have all elements of emotions, feelings, sharing, caring, tears, cheers, comfort, warmth, sacrifice, treasure, and pleasure. That's why poet says that both words are complete. Okay? But one question for you. If you are told to choose one, which one will you choose? Which one is better than the other? Let's see what does the poet think. Come to the second stanza of the poem. Poet says that home without love is bitterness. It means bitterness like quarrel, dispute, disagreement, divorce all takes place in home without love. Similarly, love without home is often pain. It means a person having love without a home suffers from pain. He is incomplete animal. He is just like half of a pair of scissors. So, both home and love are inseparable. One without other is incomplete. Look at the stanza 3. Here you can find the poet's message in stanza 3. Poet says that if you have both home and love, then you are the luckiest and happiest person in the world. In happiness, your song will become divine song. In other words, you must sing the song of gratitude to God for granting you sweet home and love. You may be poor, but if you have two, home and love, with unconditional bond of love, sharing and caring, then you are the luckiest and happiest person in the world. Here, rank, position, power, everything useless if someone has no home and love. Let's elaborate the poet's idea. Think and reflect. Which festivals are observed or celebrated at your home? Make a list, just like Diwali, Holi, and make a list of others. Similarly, which days are celebrated at your home, like birthday, wedding anniversary, and make other list. Thirdly, make a list of cakes which are made by your mother at home during different occasions. Can you do it? Make a list. Thank you.